Model railroading is fill in the blanks. And let's see what these blanks are. If you're new to model railroading, this may be a good video for you to watch first, because it's going to tell you what to do and what not to do so you could build your model railroad and have fun with it. A lot of people get stressed out when they build their model railroad and they give up. And I don't want you to do that. I've been doing this for over 50 years. There's a lot of model railroaders out there that's been doing it for 50 years and even longer than 50 years. And they'll tell you the same thing that I'm going to tell you in this video right here. So pay attention. It's very important. Hi, I'm Tom Gavichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. I just celebrated my 4-year anniversary on YouTube, and in those 4 years, I've seen a lot of promising model railroaders who had a lot of talent who just gave up. They said, no more YouTube videos, no more railroad, because they got frustrated with it. And why did they get frustrated with it? Well, I'm going to attempt to answer that. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but it might be a good learning experience for you. If you would like to see more videos like this on model railroading and electronics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ding that bell so you could be notified whenever I have a new video or live stream coming out. And also check out my playlists. I have over 400 different videos in 40 plus playlists for you to easily find by category. So go check that out. And today we're going to discuss what a model railroad is for me, and you can put in the comments what it is for you. But we'll start off by, it's a hobby. So don't treat it as anything else other than a hobby. And by all means, it's not a competition. It's a place to have fun. It's not a place to stress out. It's an escape. It's not a place to get angry. It's a place to build your skills. It's not a place to get frustrated. It's a place to learn. And it's not a place to cram everything into a very small space. It enables you to be creative. It's not a place to see how fast you could build your model railroad. It allows you to build your dreams. It's not a place to overdo it. It's a place to learn new techniques. It's not a place to build the biggest, best thing that you could possibly do. It's a means to build your own model railroad. It's not a place to waste your money. It's a world to fantasize. Or not a place to go beyond your means. It's an opportunity to create a moment in time. And whatever you do, do not quit. It's a sanctuary. It's not a place to build the most complex track plan that you can imagine. It's a place where you could recreate your childhood memories. It's a hobby. Have fun. I hope you take the information in this video seriously. It is a compilation of over 50 years of experience from myself and from other modelers who have run into the same problems and had the same frustrations as everybody else. But the biggest thing about it is just have fun. It's a hobby. Don't get stressed out about anything on it. Just walk away. If it gets aggravating, just walk away from it for a little bit and then come back and enjoy yourself again. But don't let it get you down, because like I said, it's a hobby and you're here to have fun. So until the next time, we'll see you.